Okay students, today chapter very important. So last year weightage marks from this chemical coordination and integration, 2 questions. So every chapter of your human physiology 2 questions guaranteed. But last year from 2 chapters means what, 2021 NEET nalli they not give 1 question also, they not asked from chemical coordination, neural control and coordination plus locomotion. Locomotionally plus neural control inda 1 question illa. Okay, but paper enge prepare madidru we can't actually guess it that, but except 2021, but remaining matra every chapter of your human physiology 2 questions guarantee, minimum 2, maximum 4 or 5 questions also given. Understood students? That's why chemical coordination and integration also very important, but here also so many extra points also will come. Okay, so when I'm teaching that time only I can give the extra. Okay, correct? So what is meant by first of all coordination meaning yes, okay, now working together like that, correct? 2 or more systems in our body, they will work together to perform a proper function or to balancing all the body organs function. That is called what? Coordination anta karitara. But the coordination is mainly under the control of 2 major systems are there. Come on, how many systems are controlling our coordination of all body organs? First of all, neural system. Second one is endocrine system. Correct? But in this 2 system coordination are 2 systems controlling, but which system is fast and short-lived? Which one? Neural system controlling is fast agirutte plus short-lived agirutte. But which control system slow agirutte but long life is there? Very good. In our body, point to point of our body, come on, which system is commonly present? Neural system is present. Point to point of our body. Okay, any body except dead parts, remaining living parts, how touch madidandre we can get the sensation. Why? Because our neural system will be completely extended throughout our body. Point to point connection, it is completely by our neural system. But neural system in the bandide coordination matra fast agirutte, but short line matra irutte. But chemical control and coordination, mainly chemical control system matra, it is slow agirutte, but yes, long lasting responses we can observe. With that chemical coordination we are discussing today class. Okay, ಈಗ chemical coordination ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಮಾದ mainly which chemicals are coordinating? Hormones. Okay, now we have to discuss about hormones. Okay students, okay, so what are mean by hormones? Very good. Okay, so for your textbook definition they are given. So it is about the non-nutritive chemicals. Very important students. Non-nutritive chemicals, and which is acts as a which one now? Intercellular messengers, and produced in, yes, very important now, produced in trace amount. The 3 points you should highlight, because in your examination they can alter the same statement. Instead of non-nutritive chemicals, they are given nutritive chemicals. Instead of intercellular messengers, they are given intracellular messengers. Like that they can give. Instead of the trace amount, large amount they can give. Careful students, okay now. So that's why trace amount meaning, what is meant by trace amount? Small amount or little amount or small amount. Got the clarity students? Okay. So if the hormones are secreted in the low amount only, they can perform the particular function. And these hormones are generally secreted by, come on now, which one is secreted? This one? Yes, that is called ductless glands. Ductless glands say nothing but or it is also called endocrine glands. Endocrine glands or it is also called ductless glands, meaning they secrete their hormones not through duct, they secrete their hormones directly into blood only, correct? So blood only carrying that one hormones to target tissue. The best example is FSH and LH. It's secreted by which gland? FSH and LH hormones are secreted by which gland? Pituitary gland. Okay, now which gland? Pituitary gland. So pituitary gland, where it is present? It is present below the hypothalamus. Below the hypothalamus, pituitary gland is there. Andre hypothalamus is a part of our brain or not? So brain kelagade, so that is about, okay na. So below of that brain and the pituitary gland is there. Pituitary gland is secreted the two hormones on the helbodu, that is FSH and LH. But the FSH and LH, they are directly released into the blood only. Through the blood, come on, they are reached that one, the which organs? On which organs the FSH and LH can work? Ovary and testis, correct? So in the females andre, what is the name? Ovaries, and males andre, testis, correct? Andre, pituitary gland is present in one place and their target organ is present in another place. But through the duct they are moving up, without duct they are moving up, without duct. That's why such glands are called ductless glands, correct? Ductless glands, and these ductless glands we can call endocrine glands. But the endocrine glands is commonly secrete that on the hormones. But who first discovered the hormones? Okay, now. So hormones are, okay, now, first discovered by one of the scientists is there. His name is called Starling. Starling, and the scientist, he first discovered that one. Do you know what is the name of that hormone? He first discovered that one, that is called secretin. He's discovered that one, secretin hormone. Remember students, secretin hormone we have discussed in the digestion and absorption chapter. Digestion and absorption chapter nalli baruttappa. Mainly gastrointestinal tract, GIT. Gastrointestinal tract is commonly secreted 4 hormones. Can you speak out what the name of the 4 hormone? The first one is called gastrin, second one is called secretin, third one is called cholecystokinin, and the last one is called gastroinhibitory peptide, GIP. Okay, so totally 4 hormones are secreted by gastrointestinal tract. Can you speak out what is the function of every hormone? First, what is the function of gastrin? Yes, okay, now gastrin hormone, it is stimulate that one the stomach cells mainly. Stomach cells are mainly peptic cells to secrete which one? SCL and pepsinogen also. SCL and pepsinogen also. But SCL is secreted by which one? Oxyntic cells. But pepsinogen is secreted by peptic or chief cells. Peptic cells are chief cell, also called zymogen cell. Remember students, idra gymase enzyme, gymase hormone function. Okay, now, gastrin hormone function. After the gastrin, come on, the second one is called secretin. Come on, secretin is secreted by same gastrointestinal tract, but it is worked on. Not liver, only pancreas. Only pancreas mele matra it will be worked on. So pancreas mele work madi. And to secrete which components from pancreas? Which components? Very good. Water and bicarbonates. Water and bicarbonates is secreted from pancreas with the stimulation of the secretin. Very, very important student. Secretin hormone function andre to stimulate that one the pancreas. To stimulate the pancreas to releasing the water and bicarbonates, not the pancreatic juices. But the pancreatic juices secrete agಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಏನದು? CCK full form cholecystokinin. ಈ cholecystokinin they can activating the gallbladder, they can activating the pancreas. Okay na, both pancreas ni gallbladder ni ಎರಡು stimulate ಮಾಡಿ they can secrete the bile juices and pancreatic juices. adera pancreatic juices, remember, can you speak out what are the example for pancreatic juices? Trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, procarboxypeptidases, pancreatic amylases, lipases. After the lipases, which one? Nucleases. but nucleotidases, sidases are secreted by small intestine. Small intestine, it is a part of succus centricus. Succus centricus, succus centricus nalli nucleotidases, nucleosidases will come, but pancreas in the matra only nucleases matra secret agutara, nucleases. Okay na, these are okay na, one concept band mele you should remember that one, what a connected things ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈವನ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಓಕೆ ನೆನಪಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅವತ್ತೇ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಡೌಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಮೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಈವನ್ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಚೂಸಿಂಗ್ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಅದು ಮುಂದೆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಆ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಗುಡ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾರ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ರಾ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಫಿಸಿಯಾಲಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಓಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ದಟ್ ಓಕೆನಾ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ again in the evening also you should compulsory solve one more time also, once you have to check up that. Okay students, sir ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ he is only first discovered that one the secretin hormone, and he also coined the term, so coined the term hormone and the word also he has only given, that is hormone. Okay, next one, the study of endocrine glands. The study of endocrine glands, what we can call endocrinology anta karitar. The study of endocrine glands are called endocrinology. And who is the father of endocrinology? The father of endocrinology is, that is Thomas Alva Edison alla, Thomas Edison. Do you know Thomas Alva Edison? Bulb invention, okay na. But Thomas Edison is called as father of endocrinology. ಇದನ್ನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥಾಮಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಡಿಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಥಾಮಸ್ ಎಡಿಸನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ತಿಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಾನ್. ಈಗ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎಂಡೋಕ್ರೈನ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ. ಎಂಡೋಕ್ರೈನ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ from starting to okay na, from upper part of our body, means anterior to posterior direction, okay na. So I can completely, yes, this is about our body from anterior to posterior. Come on, you have to speak out that one, what are the different type of the endocrine glands are present in our body. Okay, first of all, head region, mainly forebrain mele one of the gland is present. Can you speak out what is the name of the gland? Very good, pineal gland. This is called the as pineal gland, because in your examination they can ask what is the correct sequence of the different endocrine glands from anterior to posterior. Adike students, adike with the help of diagram only I can explain, I am explaining, that is pineal gland. Again, next one more part of the forebrain, it is also acts as endocrine gland. Can you speak out what is the name of the forebrain which is also acts as endocrine gland? What is the name? Hypothalamus is the one more part of forebrain. Next, hypothalamus ge come on attach agi itara, okay na, their complete lobe like structure is there. What is the name? Pituitary gland anta karitara. This is called pituitary gland. Okay, next just you have to come to the neck region. Neck region nalli nodbodu, okay na, ಈ ತರಹ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ತರಹ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ತರ ಐತೆ. ಆ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ಹೆಸರಪ್ಪ? ಥೈರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಥೈರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ which one is there? Parathyroid gland is present. ಈಗ just you have to come to the chest region. ಈ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಲೋಬ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೋಬ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್? ಥೈಮಸ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದಾ? increasing the age, the size of this gland only decreasing. Come on, whose size is decreasing? Thymus gland. ಈಗ after the thymus gland, come on, we have to discuss about, okay no? Yes, kidney. Come on, kidney mele which one is there? Adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is present. ಈಗ next one, ಇಲ್ಲಿ liver ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, okay no? Same here also. What is the name of this one? Pancreas. Okay na? But okay. Kidney ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is about, ಈಗ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ kidneys are present. This is called the as adrenal gland. It will go on to anterior side. No, nobody having that much of near to the heart our kidneys. No. Okay. So that is okay. Okay, next one. Same here also digestive system is present. You go here. One of the leaf-like gland is present. Can you speak out what the name of the leaf-like gland? Pancreas. Houdappa. Pancreas is present in the abdomen. It is not present in the thorax. Okay na? This is called pancreas. Okay. So yes. This is about adrenal gland and pancreas. ಈಗ just we have to come to the pelvic region. Come on, pelvic region ನಲ್ಲಿ suppose male individuals ನಲ್ಲಿ what are the name? Testis. This is called testis. And ಅದೇ female ಇದ್ದರೆ this is about the female they are commonly having. Here, what is the name? This is called ovary. It is also called gonads ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದರ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ endocrine gland from anterior to posterior direction. This is about the correct location. Okay students, are you remember this? First of all, pineal amele next one, hypothalamus, next pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, adrenal, pancreas and gonads. Both testis and ovary, what we can call gonads. Ivella endocrine glands. But in this gland, first we can go for hypothalamus, then we can go for pituitary gland, then we can go for pineal gland. Did you remember pineal gland? Pineal gland function, what is the function of pineal gland? Yes, it is commonly stimulating that one diurnal cycle. Means what? Sleep and wake cycle. Correct? Sleep and wake up cycle is mainly under the control of which hormone? Melatonin hormone. So melatonin hormone secretion, if it is started, we are going to sleep. If the melatonin hormone secretion will be stopped, means we can wake up. Clear? That's why sleep and wake up cycle and takshana, which gland you have to remember? Pineal gland. So which hormone and takshana? Melatonin hormone. A melatonin hormone secreted by pineal gland itself only. Okay students, and no need to repeat this sentence. Okay? Understood students? Non-nutrient chemicals and intercellular messengers and trace amount they can produce. Okay, then we can go for hypothalamus. Remember students, hypothalamus, it is a part of the forebrain. Can you speak out how many parts are there in the forebrain? How many parts? 3 parts. Can you speak out? The first one is called olfactory lobes. Second one is called cerebrum. Third one is called diencephalon. Once again, forebrain of human consists of the 3 major parts. That is, the first one is called olfactory lobe. Second, cerebrum. Third one is called diencephalon. Diencephalon only matte 3 parts are there. That is called epithalamus, thalamus and hypothalamus. That's why which one is a part of the diencephalon? Hypothalamus. Okay, now hypothalamus is a part of which one? Diencephalon. Remember students, but in your textbook they are not given. In NCERT they are not given. Just forebrain only what are the parts are there? Forebrain only cerebrum. ಸೆರೆಬ್ರಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೆರೆಬ್ರಮ್, ಥಲಾಮಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೈಪೋಥಲಾಮಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಥಲಾಮಸ್, ಎಪಿಥಲಾಮಸ್, ಹೈಪೋಥಲಾಮಸ್ ಈ 3 ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರಿದೆರ. ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್? ಡಯಾನ್ಸೆಫಲಾನ್. ಸೊ ಡಯಾನ್ಸೆಫಲಾನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಹೈಪೋಥಲಾಮಸ್. ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಈಗ ನಾವು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಹೈಪೋಥಲಾಮಸ್. Hypothalamus, it is they commonly have a group of which cells are present? A group of which one? Neurosecretory cells are there. Can you speak out what the name of the neurosecretory cells? Nuclei is a very, very important. Generally nuclei and takshana, sir, it is the plural of nucleus, sir. Plural of nucleus is called what? Nuclei. But here plural of nucleus alla idu. ಆ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೈ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಜನರಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೈ ಅಂದರೆ ಜನರಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಎಸ್ ಒನ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಒನ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೈ. ಬಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲರ. ಜನರಲಿ ನ್ಯೂರೋಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೈಪೋಥಲಾಮಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್? ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೈ. ಈಗ ಈ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೈ is commonly what they can secretes? Yes, very, very important students. Hormones. Nuclei secrete that one, the hormones. Speak out students. Hormones are how many different type of hormones they can secrete? 2 different type of hormones secrete agute. What is the name of that one? That is called releasing hormones. Releasing hormones, and the second one is called inhibitory hormone anta karidira. Inhibitory hormone, very, very important students. Hypothalamus can secrete 2 types of the hormones, releasing and inhibitory. What is the function of releasing hormone? Releasing hormones, they can stimulate pituitary gland. They can stimulate pituitary gland to secrete its hormones, It's andre whose hormones? Pituitary hormone. So pituitary hormone inda pituitary hormone release agಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ hypothalamus inda releasing hormones release agಬೇಕಂತ. I can explain with the help of example. Same ra. Inhibitory hormones are same. It is also stimulates pituitary gland to stop its secretions. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಲೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಔಟ್? GnRH. You already know the full form of this? Gonadotropin ಏನು ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್? ರಿಲೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. ಇದು ರಿಲೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. gonadotropin ರಿಲೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಈ gonadotropin releasing hormones are secreted by whom? Hypothalamus. ಈ GnRH, it will be stimulates, it will stimulate the which one? Pituitary gland. Mainly which lobe of pituitary gland? Anterior lobe, correct? Anterior lobe of pituitary gland is stimulate ಮಾಡಿ. Then anterior lobe of pituitary gland, they can secrete that one. The 2 types of gonadotropin, name out? FSH and LH. Both are together called what? Gonadotropins anta karitira. Which hormones are together called them as gonadotropin? FSH. But FSH, LH hormones are secreted by pituitary gland. Matte pituitary gland inda FSH, LH secrete agಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ hypothalamus ಇಂದ GnRH secrete ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ indirectly, which one is the boss of the pituitary gland? Who is the boss of the pituitary gland? Hypothalamus only. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ hypothalamus ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೋ pituitary gland ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ hypothalamusಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರಾ. ಬಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಡೋಕ್ರೈನ್ ಆರ್ಕೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ. ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಡೋಕ್ರೈನ್ ಆರ್ಕೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ hypothalamus ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದ pituitary gland function. Pituitary gland function directly controlled by this one hypothalamus. How they can controlling andre by releasing by inhibitory hormones. Releasing hormones release ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ yes, pituitary gland they can secrete some hormones. Suppose ide ಹೈಪೋಥಾಲಮಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇನಿಬಿಟರಿ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಸಿಕ್ರಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮಾನ ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಸಮ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ in your NCERT what they are given for inhibitory hormone raw? Very good raw. Okay no? Somatostatins on the hormone raw. Somatostatin is somatostatin hormone secreted by whom? Yes, okay no? It is secretes or hormone. It will be stimulate. Come on now. It will be stimulate that one. Which one now? Pituitary gland only. Means anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary. Okay. Why? They are commonly stimulating that one anterior pituitary to stop the secretion of which hormone? Growth hormone. Growth hormones. Idra somatostatins. Somatostatin anta hormone secrete aitandre, yes, anterior pituitary lobe they can't secrete that one the growth hormones, or they can stop the secretion of the growth hormones. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಇದೇ ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅದೇ ಆಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಇದೇ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಸಿಕ್ರಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏಕೆ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೊ ಅದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಯುವರ್ NCERT ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್. ಯು ಸಿ ನಾವ್ ಹೈಪೋಥಾಲಮಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರಾ. ಹೈಪೋಥಾಲಮಸ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ರಿಲೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ GHRH. ನೋಡ್ರ, hypothalamus secretes that one GHRH. GHRH ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ರಿಲೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ರಿಲೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೈಪೋಥಾಲಮಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈ GHRH ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಆಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಆಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಜನರಲಿ ಮೆಕಾನಿಸಮ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹೈಪೋಥಾಲಮಸ್ ಇಂದ GHRH ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟ್ಸ್ ಆಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟ್ಸ್ GH ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತು ಇದೇ ಆಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿಯಿಂದ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು ಅಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೇ ಹೈಪೋಥಾಲಮಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ GHIH ಅಂತ ಒಂದು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಇನಿಬಿಟರಿ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಇನಿಬಿಟರಿ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಯಾವುದೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಸೊಮಾಟೋಸ್ಟಾಟಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಸೊಮಾಟೋಸ್ಟಾಟಿನ್. ಈ ಸ್ಟೊಮಾಟೋಸ್ಟಾಟಿನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತಂದರೆ ಇಂಡಿಯರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ GHIH ಸೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ whose secretion of GH hormones, to stop that on the growth hormones. ನೋಡಿ, ಅದೇ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಪೋಥಾಲಮಸ್ ಇಂದ GHRH ಸಿಕ್ರಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಸಿಕ್ರಿಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಹೈಪೋಥಾಲಮಸ್ ಇಂದ GHIH ಸಿಕ್ರಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ GHRH GHIH ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಆಂಟೆಗಾನಿಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಒಬ್ಬರೇನು ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಏನಂದರೆ ಅದೇ ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ನಿಂದ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಸಿಕ್ರಿಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? By this example, I think you can easily perfectly understand what is about the releasing hormone, what is called inhibitory hormones. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರ ರಿಲೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ಗೆ GnRH ಅಂತ ಒಂದು. GnRH is one of the releasing hormone. It is activating the pituitary gland and to release. ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಈ FSH and LH ಸಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಹೈಪೋಥಾಲಮಸ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? ಇನ್ಹಿಬಿಟರಿ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. ಅದೇ GnIH ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರ. GnIH ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊನಾಡೋಟ್ರಾಪಿನ್ ಇನ್ಹಿಬಿಟರಿ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದ FSH and LH. Got the students? Okay. Okay, now with the help of diagram I can explain how the hypothalamus can controlling that one pituitary gland function. Pituitary gland function, how they can control. Let us, we have to discuss. ಏನಪ್ಪ Okay? Yes. You see, this is about the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus structure they are given. This is about hypothalamus. Can you speak out what is the other name of hypothalamus? Hypophysis andre enu karitara hypothalamus. Sorry, pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is also called hypophysis. Now, this is the anterior lobe of pituitary. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ big size. I am drawing the pituitary gland. So now, this is about the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus plus pituitary gland, both are mainly, this is called anterior pituitary gland or anterior adenohypophysis. Anterior adenohypophysis. This is called posterior, which one? Neurohypophysis. Different names. Two lobes are there in the pituitary gland. Matte adenohypophysis ante matte bere tilkobedi, ide pituitary gland ante karitara. Pituitary gland. Okay? So totally it is also pituitary. This is both are pituitary gland. But how hypothalamus can controlling the pituitary gland andre mainly adenohypophysis ne henge control madutandre with the help of a special portal system is there. Can you speak out what is the name of the portal system? That is called hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system anta karidu. Hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system. But who will speak what is the meaning of portal system? What is the very good. So portal system andre it will be start with capillaries and end with also capillaries. Remember students, in the human being what is the name of the portal system is present? Hepatic portal system. Are they amphibians both is present. Renal portal system is present and hepatic portal system is present. Remember, in our body, hepatic portal system, it is connecting the which organs? Small intestine with whom? Liver. That is called hepatic portal vein is present. Hepatic portal vein is present, that is. Okay. So now, this is about the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is completely connected with the which one? Adenohypophysis, or it is also called anterior pituitary. And this is posterior pituitary. Posterior pituitary is also called neurohypophysis. But hypothalamus, they are secrete their secretions like this with the help of their. So hypothalamus, they are secrete their hormones directly into the anterior lobe with the help of which one? Portal system. This is called portal system. This portal system ge one more name also there, that is called hypophyseal portal system, students. Hypophyseal portal system is there, which is connecting the hypothalamus with the anterior lobe of pituitary. But what about posterior lobe, sir? Posterior lobe plus hypothalamus madhya just only neural connection matra irtara like this. Neural connection only present, students. Neural connection. It is only the neural connection is present. This one you should highlight in your textbook. Hypothalamus, they can send their hormones into anterior lobe through portal system. They hypothalamus, they can also send their hormones into the posterior lobe of pituitary through which one? Their neurons. Okay, now this is about the neurons. With the help of their neurons. Remember students, this is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is connected with the pituitary gland with the help of a stalk-like structure. Can you speak out what the name of this stalk-like structure? Infundibulum. Infundibulum. That is infundibulum. Remember students, same name we can also in the fallopian tubes. Fallopian tubes also having how many parts? 3 parts. Infundibulum, ampulla, isthmus. In the infundibulum region only, finger-like projections are there. What is the name? Fimbriae. Fimbriae is collecting what? Ova. Clear? Same other word also we are using, but infundibulum meaning what? The stalk of the pituitary. The stalk of the pituitary gland is called infundibulum. The stalk of the pituitary gland is called infundibulum. Okay, students? Okay, now students? Got it? Okay? How the hypothalamus? Hypothalamus, okay. Hormones are secreted into the anterior lobe with the help of which one? Portal system. With the help of the portal system, hypothalamus, they are releasing their hormones into here. Clear? Through neurons. Through the neurons, and other hypothalamus is releasing the hormones into posterior lobe of pituitary. But very, very important, students. But today, hypothalamus is also secrete two more hormones. Who will speak that one? Two more hormones also secreted by our hypothalamus. Can you speak out what the name of the two more hormones? That is called oxytocin, and second one is called vasopressin. Very, very important, students. Hypothalamus not only releasing hormone, inhibitory hormone, jotege, hypothalamus also secreting two more hormones, that is oxytocin, vasopressin. But the oxytocin and vasopressin temporarily stored in where? Temporarily stored in, yes, that is called posterior adenohypophysis or posterior lobe of pituitary. Posterior lobe of pituitary. Posterior lobe of pituitary. That is called neurohypophysis. This is important, students. Question inga mention ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ? Oxytocin and vasopressin secreted by hypothalamus released into the neurohypophysis through option A, portal system, option B, neurons. Neurons. This is important for your NEET examination. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಅದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ growth hormones are gonadotropin releasing hormone. Gonadotropin releasing hormones are reached that one the pituitary gland through which one? Portal system. Portal system ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ, ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ನ್ಯೂರೋಹೈಪೋಫೈಸಿಸ್ is secreted oxytocin and vasopressin? No. Oxytocin, vasopressin secreted by hypothalamus but stored in the posterior lobe of pituitary. But when does posterior lobe of pituitary, when does it secrete that one the oxytocin and vasopressin? Yes, during the which time now? Yes, mainly in the females. Females nalli nodavaga in the which time? Parturition time it is secreted. Not only in the parturition, even normal time nalli also. Ekandre involuntary functions also under the control of oxytocin. Peristaltic movements are there, Peristaltic movement is a one type of which one? Involuntary functions. Even the oxytocin also secreted in the human body. Male humans and both female human, in both organisms it will be produced oxytocin. But oxytocin main use in andre, that is in the parturition in the females. But in the males nalli also everyday also secrete avute, but a hormone function andre it is helpful for which action? Involuntary action. Involuntary actions are completely under the control of oxytocin. The third one, second one is called vasopressin. Can you speak out what is the other name of vasopressin? Yes, that is called ADH. ADH full form? Very good. What is meant by diuresis? What is meant by diuresis? Loss of more water through urine. Loss of more water through urine is called diuresis, but it is preventing diuresis or promoting? Preventing. Adike anti-diuretic hormone. Come on, ADH hormone secrete aitu andre in which part of renal tubule reabsorption of water and electrolytes? Which one? DCT, distal convoluted. That's why that absorption is what we can call conditional reabsorption. Means what? When the ADH secretion time nalli matra from DCT reabsorption takes place, but normally matra there is no reabsorption of water in the DCT. But sometimes the DCT amount will be, ADH amount will be decreases. In which cases ADH secretion is stopped. Yes, diabetes. Okay, now mainly diabetes insipidus. Diabetes insipidus patient nalli Okay na, ADH hormone is very low secrete or sometimes absent. Plus those are alcoholism, excess alcohol kudidandre, it is also caused to suppressing the which hormone? ADH hormone. Even the non-alcoholic beverages andre tea and coffee also, it will be suppressing the secretion of ADH. Suppressing the secretion of ADH. Adhikara, frequent urination is occurs. Even after alcoholism also, urination is occurs. Fastly means what? It is the reason. Because ADH secretion not occurs means there is no reabsorption of the water from DCT. That's why diuresis occurs. Are they clarity, students? Okay, now this is two hormones. But the two hormones secreted by whom? Hypothalamus, but temporarily stored in the which lobe of pituitary? Posterior lobe of pituitary. Another name of posterior lobe? Neurohypophysis. This is total complete information of hypothalamus. This is just in barala. Arthaita, students. Releasing hormone, inhibitory hormone. Inga innondu example idira. Releasing hormone ge inhibitory hormone ge. Suppose PRRH and PRIH. Andrinartha, this is called prolactin releasing hormone, prolactin inhibitory hormone. Now you have to speak out. Prolactin releasing hormone secreted by whom? Hypothalamus. Prolactin inhibitory hormone also secreted by whom? Hypothalamus. Prolactin releasing hormone release aitandre pituitary inda prolactin release agutte. Correcta? Matte pituitary inda prolactin hormone suppress agbekanದ್ರೆ hypothalamus inda yav hormone secrete agbeku? PR. Very good. Prolactin inhibitory hormone. Andre totally pituitary gland function under the control of hypothalamus. Pituitary gland function under the control of hypothalamus. Adike hypothalamus ne enante karitara? Master endocrine orchestra anta karitara. Master endocrine orchestra or maestro anta karibodu. Maestro andre music tumba play madidru maestro anta karitara. Maestro andre Ilayaraja. Do you know Ilayaraja songs? So melody pa. If you are listen that one means we can forget we are taking medical coaching. Antanu marite hogite. Ande ashtu melody songs sir. So that is. Okay, students. Okay, no more doubts from hypothalamus. Can I go that one? The second pituitary gland. That is next gland we can discuss. That is called pituitary gland. Pituitary gland next. Pituitary gland. It is also only single gland is there, pituitary gland, but two lobes, mantra two lobes. What is the other name of pituitary gland? Hypophysis. Hypophysis. Just only I said, hypophysis. Why? Because it is present below the which one? The hypothalamus. With the help of a stalk-like structure, can you speak out what is the name of this stalk? Infundibulum. With the help of the infundibulum. With the help of the infundibulum, and the pituitary gland is completely attached to hypothalamus. Next, pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is located in a bony cavity. Can you speak out what is the name of the bony cavity? Sella turcica. Very, very important. Sella turcica. It is also mainly they can ask in the sentence type of question, statement type of questions. They are giving hypothalamus present in the bony cavity like sella turcica. No. Generally, pituitary gland is located in one of the bony cavities called sella turcica. Okay, students. Okay, next one. Pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is having two lobes. Two lobes are commonly present in the pituitary gland. The first one is called pars. Okay. No. First one, what we can discuss? That is called anterior. Anterior, which are hypophysis? Adenohypophysis. Anterior adenohypophysis and posterior neurohypophysis. Both are neurohypophysis. How the hypothalamus can send their hormones into the adenohypophysis? Through portal system. How the hypothalamus send into the neurohypophysis? Through neurons. Okay, next, adenohypophysis nallira matte 2 more lobes are there. 2 more lobes are present. Can you speak out what are the name of the 2 lobes? Pars distalis, pars intermedia. Pars distalis, pars intermedia. Intermedia. Pars distalis and pars intermedia. But here, which one is closely merged with the pars distalis? Yes, okay, no? Ee tara arrow mark madkodi. Pars distalis is closely merged with the pars distalis. Pars distalis ಜೊತೆಗೆ pars intermedia merge ಆಗಿ it looks like one lobe ತರಾನೇ ಕಾಣಿಸಬಹುದು. Even one more book they are given pars distalis ಜೊತೆಗೆ pars tuberalis also one more lobe also there ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ. Pars tuberalis. But pars tuberalis what they are secreting ಮಾತ್ರ they are not given. Okay, that's why enough. 2 lobes are there. ಮತ್ತೆ 2 lobes ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ pars distalis ಇಂದ secrete ಆಗಿದೆ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, first pars distalis can secreted how many different type of hormone? 6 different type of hormone secrete ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Can you speak out what the first hormone? Growth hormone. Second one is the thyroid stimulating hormone. Third one is the adenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH anta karitira. The next one is called the mass. Which one? The prolactin. That is called prolactin hormone. And FSH and LH. You go. These 6 hormones are from pars distalis. ಈಗ ಪಾರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಇಂದ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಅದೇ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ? MSH, ಮೆಲನೋಸೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಹೈಪೋಫೈಸಿಸ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರಾ. ಪಾರ್ಸ್ ನರ್ವೋಸಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀರಾ? ಈ ಪಾರ್ಸ್ ನರ್ವೋಸಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಹೈಪೋಫೈಸಿಸ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್? 2 hormones, that is oxytocin and vasopressin. But really these 2 hormones are secreted by whom? Hypothalamus. ಎಲ್ಲಿದಲ್ಲ hypothalamus is really secreted but temporally stored in posterior colobomid. ಈಗ ಈ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಓಕೆನಾ 25% ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್. ಇದೇ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಈಗ ಪಿಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಟೇಲ್. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. Growth hormone. What is the function of growth hormone? What is the function of growth hormone? Growth hormone. All the meaning. Yes, it is promote that one. Which one? No? Growth. Promotes mainly growth of organs. Organs are tissues. How they can promote the growth means they can promote that one mainly cell division and differentiation. Cell division, differentiation, main important. Cell division ಆಗಬೇಕು. Understood students? Mainly longitudinal growth ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ. And growth hormones generally secreted. When does they are secreted? During night time only they are secreted. Night time ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ generally secrete ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮೇ ಉದ್ದ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಉದ್ದ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮೇ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜನರಲಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಸೈಜ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಅದೇ ಥೈರಾಕ್ಸಿನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಥೈರಾಕ್ಸಿನ್. The presence of thyroxine. ಗೊತ್ತು, ಥೈರಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ is secreted by whom? ಥೈರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಥೈರಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪುಷಪ್ ಥರ, ಒಂದು ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಥೈರಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಡೆಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಂಟೆಡ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಥೈರಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈವನ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಹೋಮ್? ಥೈರಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. ಇದರ Understood, students? By birth we don't have this much of lengthy body, correct? So we have small body, but year by year our body size is increased, mainly puberty age nalli inga yes, rapid growth is occurs either in the males or females. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ up to 20 years ವರೆಗೆ growth is occurs rapidly, even up to 25 years ವರೆಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but 20 ಇಂದ 25 years ವರೆಗೆ very minute growth is occurs. That's why ಈ 20 years mainly puberty age, mainly 14 years ಇಂದ ಮೊದಲುಕೊಂಡು 20 years ವರೆಗೆ ಈ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ, ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ನಿರಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಲ್ಸಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ನಿರಿ, ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಸೋಯಾಬೀನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಪಲ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಳೆ, ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಜರ್ಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅದೇ ಸ್ಪ್ರೌಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಎನಿ ಒನ್, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಫುಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ನಿರಿ, ಈ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಿತೀರ. ಈಗ ನಾನ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆನಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಿಕನ್ ಮಟನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫಿಶಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಂದಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಹೈ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ತಿಂದಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಂದು ಈ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಬೋಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಾಟ್ನಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಬೋಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಬೋಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಯರ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲವರಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಕ್ಕರ್ಸ್, ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೋಡಲ್ ಎಲಾಂಗೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಕ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಟ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಬೋಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಇದೂ ಹಂಗೆ. ಪ್ಯೂಬರಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ತಾನೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆನಾ ಬಾಡಿ ಎಲಾಂಗೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಕ್ಕರ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಬೋಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಫುಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ನಿರಿ, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಈಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಿತಾರಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಈಗ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಡೆಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೆಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಸರ್. Suppose here we are discussing about hyposecretion. Hyposecretion meaning? Yes, less secretion. ಏನು ಲೆಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೇಷನ್? ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ? ಡ್ವಾರ್ಫಿಸಮ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಡ್ವಾರ್ಫಿಸಮ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ಸ್ಟಂಟೆಡ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಟಂಟೆಡ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್. ಓಕೆನಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಮ್ಮಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಸರ್ ಈ ಸಿಮ್ಮಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ? ಸಿಮ್ಮಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲೋ ಸಿಕ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೀಮೆಚ್ಯೂರ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್. ಲೋ ಸಿಕ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಪ್ರೀಮೆಚ್ಯೂರ್ ಏಜಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರೀಮೆಚ್ಯೂರ್ ಏಜಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೀರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಸರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್? ಪ್ರೊಜೀರಿಯಾ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮೂವಿ ಇದೆರಾ ಹಿಂದಿನಲ್ಲಿ, PAA ಪಾ ಅಂತ ಮೂವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮಿತಾಬ್ ಬಚ್ಚನ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಮದರ್ ರೋಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಬಾಲನ್ ಪಾ ಮೂವಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಬಚ್ಚನ್ ಅಮಿತಾಬ್ ಬಚ್ಚನ್ಗೆ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಆ ಮೂವಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ದ ಬಾಯ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಫರಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೀರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರೊಜೀರಿಯಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೀಮೆಚ್ಯೂರ್ ಏಜಿಂಗ್. ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 10-11 years ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವರು ಏನು 55 years ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ. ಇದೇ ಈ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೀಮೆಚ್ಯೂರ್ ಏಜಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ತಾನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೀಮೆಚ್ಯೂರ್ ಏಜಿಂಗ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವೈಟ್ ಹೇರ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಆ ವೈಟ್ ಹೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಪ್ರೀಮೆಚ್ಯೂರ್ ಏಜಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಈ ಪ್ರೀಮೆಚ್ಯೂರ್ ಏಜಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾರಣ ಎಂದರೆ ಲೋ ಸಿಕ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಜರ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಎಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ ಜೆನೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮ್ ಜೀನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಬ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಜೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಮ್ಮಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಕ್ಕರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇದರ ಸಿಮಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಿಮಾಯ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೀರಿಯಾ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀಮೆಚ್ಯೂರ್ ಏಜ್. ಇದರ ಎರಡು. Okay, now we are discussing after hyposecretion. Next one, what we have to secrete? Hypersecretion. Hypersecretion. Hypersecretion ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Yes, that is called more secretion. More secretion of growth hormone. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Hyposecretion over, okay. But low secretion of the growth hormone. It leads to first of all in the gigantism ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Gigantism. Understood? Tall posture ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರ. Tall posture. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಪ್ಪ 7 feet ಹೈಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಜನರಲಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 6 feet ಹೈಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. 6.2 ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್, ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ 7 feet ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಅವರು ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದ್ರ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಓಕೆ ಹೈಪರ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೇಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ನೋ ಬಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಾಲಿಟಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಜೈಗಾಂಟಿಸಮ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟಾಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಚರ್. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಜೈಗಾಂಟಿಸಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂದರೆ ಓಕೆನಾ, ಮೋರ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ GH ಇನ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ 5 years, ಬಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರೇನು 15 years ಥರ ಹೈಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸಫರಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಜೈಗಾಂಟಿಸಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ ಆಕ್ರೋಮೆಗಾಲಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್ ಟಾಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಕರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಡಲಿಸೆನ್ಸ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅಡಲಿಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಮೋರ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ GH after adolescence. That is very important. Mainly ಈ acromegaly, those who are suffering, they are looks like a ape-like appearance. Ape-like man ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಕೆನಾ, ಟೋಟಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವೇನಪ್ಪ ಚಿಂಪಾಂಜಿ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ acromegaly. ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈವನ್ ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಗುತ್ತರ. ಸೇಮ್ ಚಿಂಪಾಂಜಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಚಿಂಪಾಂಜಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಗೊರಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ಬಟ್ ನೋಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸೈಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಯ್ನ್ಲಿ ಏಪ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಏನಂದರೆ ಏಪ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಜನರಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ನೋಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಾನೆ? ನೋಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲಾಂಗೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲೋಯರ್ ಜಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತರ ಈ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೋಯರ್ ಜಾ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಏಪ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್. ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಚಿಂಪಾಂಜಿ ಗೊರಿಲ್ಲಾನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಲೋಯರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವೆಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಥರ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏಪ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್. ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸಫರಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ acromegaly. ಅಂದರೆ ಮೋರ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅಡಲಿಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಇದರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏಪ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏಪ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಥರನೇ ಇರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇದರ ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ hyposecretion over hypersecretion also over. Okay, then after the growth hormone, next we can go for which one? TSH. TSH full form ಏನಪ್ಪ? Thyroid stimulating hormone. Can you speak out what is the function of thyroid stimulating hormone? Thyroid stimulating hormone, it is about the second hormone of pituitary gland. Thyroid stimulating hormone function ಏನು? It stimulates which gland? Thyroid gland. It stimulates thyroid gland to synthesize and secretion of its hormones. ಅಂದರೆ thyroid hormones. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತರ thyroid gland ಇಂದ thyroxine hormone. Mainly thyroid gland can secrete the two types of the hormone. Do you know students? That is called T3 and T4. thyroid gland ಇಂದ T3 and T4 ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಪಿಟ್ಯುಟರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? TSH. ಇದರ ಓಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ TSH ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಈಗ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ TSH ACTH ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಅಡ್ರಿನೋಕಾರ್ಟಿಕೋಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೇಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್? ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್? Adrenal gland. Mainly adrenal gland. Which one? The cortex or medulla? Na? Cortex. It is stimulate the adrenal cortex to secrete. Yes, to secretes corticoids. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೀರಾ ಕಾರ್ಟಿಕಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಕಾರ್ಟಿಕಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಟಿಕಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಟಿಕಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಂಡ್ರೋಜೆನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಿರಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಆಂಡ್ರೋಜೆನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಿರಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೇಟ್. ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಈಗ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ರೊಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಿನ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರೊಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಮೆಟರ್ನಿಟಿ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮೆಟರ್ನಿಟಿ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಆರ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟರ್ನಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟರ್ನಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನ? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಚುರೇಷನ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಚುರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಿನ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜನರಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಿನ್? ಪ್ರೊಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಮೆಮರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಮೆಮರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Plus it is also stimulate and okay, it secretes the which one? Milk in the alveoli. Alveoli milk secrete ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೇನು ಇದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? alveoli ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ alveoli ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮಮರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ alveoli is present ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆ ಮಮರಿ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ alveoli ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಸಿಂಥಸೈಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಪ್ರೊಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಿನ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Like after this we can go for next remaining two hormones also there. Already we discussed in the human reproduction chapter. Last two hormones we are already discussed. Come on, let us see how many members are give the answer. The first next one is the fifth hormone is FSH. Very good. Follicle stimulating hormone. Can you speak out in females? In females what is our role? Very good on. Okay na? In females okay na? Yes, it stimulates what? It stimulates ovarian follicle development. Ovarian follicle development. Can you speak out what is the name of the ovarian follicles? Yes, primary, secondary, tertiary and Graafian follicles. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾಲಿಕಲ್ಸ್ era. ಈ ಫಾಲಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ FSH. Got the clarity students? But ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ, ಟೆರ್ಷರಿ ಈ ಮೂರು ಫಾಲಿಕಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಜರ್ಮ್ ಸೆಲ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಜರ್ಮ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಔಟ್? ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ oocyte. Which one? Primary oocyte is present. Tertiary follicle what their content? Even. Secondary oocyte even. Okay now. So ಈ ಮೂರನಲ್ಲಿ also primary oocyte, but Graafian follicle ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ which one is there? Secondary oocyte is present. But what about in males? Yes, okay na. Males ನಲ್ಲಿ they can stimulate which cells now? Sertoli cells. ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? Sertoli cells ni stimulate ಮಾಡಿ it is helpful for what? Spermiogenesis. It promotes that one, the spermiogenesis. Meaning, what is meant by spermiogenesis? Spermiogenesis. You are saying spermiation. Yes, the conversion or transformation of the spermatids into sperms is called spermiogenesis. Idro FSH. The last one is LH. Speak out LH hormone function in females. Females nalli LH hormone play an important role. Very good. It induces which one? Ovulation. What is meant by ovulation? Very good. Release of ovum. Release of ovum is called ovulation. The formation of ovum is called oogenesis. Oogenesis anta karitara. Formation of the ovum is called oogenesis. Okay. What about in males? Come on, males nalli. Very very important. In males, LH is also called. LH also called. LH is also called. Which one? Interstitial cell stimulating hormone. Interstitial cell stimulating hormone, that is called ICSH. Very important. ICSH. ಇನ್ ಮೇಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ LH ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು? Yes, okay, now it is stimulate the which cells? Leydig cells, correct? It is stimulating the which cells? Leydig cells. What is the other name of Leydig cells? Interstitial cells. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ interstitial cell stimulating hormone ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they can stimulating the interstitial cells to secrete what? Androgens. To secrete androgens. Androgens, say one more name in the testosterone hormone. Okay students, this is very important students. Idra totally only adenohypophysis, pars distalis secrete madide 6 different type of hormones. Idralli very important yaudu andre, okay, yes, that is called LH hormone. LH hormone females nalli ovulation ge promote ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Next one, in the males nalli it is promoting the which cells? Interstitial cells to secrete which one? The androgens. It important students, important this. FSH also ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದರ follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Ovarian follicles. What are the ovarian follicles? Primary, secondary, tertiary, Graafian. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ FSH ಬೇಕು. Plus in the males ನಲ್ಲಿ FSH it is stimulating the Sertoli cells to secrete, and along with the androgens they can promote that one, the which one? The spermiogenesis. Aitha students, okay na? This is totally 6 different type of the hormones is secreted by anterior lobe of pituitary. Okay, idamele one of the main extra point martogidra. Okay, I can give that one. Ena main important point andre on the kelsa ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. After the completion of this I can speak. Okay, next one, adenohypophysis ನಲ್ಲಿ come on, one more lobe also there. What is the name? Pars distalis. ಈ pars intermedia is secreted what? Melanocyte stimulating hormone. ಈ melanocyte stimulating hormone, what is the particular function in our body? It is still unknown now. But some of the scientists, what they are telling that one, yes, it is helpful for pigmentation ಅಂದ್ರೆ mainly they can secrete, or mainly they can stimulate, they stimulate which one? The melanocytes, where it is present? Of skin cells to secrete which one? The melanin pigment ni produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. very important, melanin pigment ಇದು highlight ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Even are you observe that one, even white skin persons, if you are completely stand in the bright sunlight, automatically our skin color will be changed. Why skin color will be changed? Because one pigment secrete agutara to protecting our skin, one hormone one pigment synthesis agute. What is the name? Melanin. This melanin is giving the which color to our body? Black color, okay, or dark color to body. But melanin function ಏನಂದ್ರೆ it is protecting the skin from sun rays. Again that same skin, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ white skin people, again they will come to the dark region. After few days again they will get that when original color. Correct? ಅಂದ್ರೆ melanin pigment is one of the very important pigment, right? It is protecting the skin. But ಆ ಮೆಲನಿನ್ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೆಲನೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್. ಮೆಲನೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್, ಆ ಮೆಲನೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮೆಲನಿನ್ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಈ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಬೇಕ್ರಾ? ಮೆಲನೋಸೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆಲನಿನ್ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆಲನೋಸೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. ಈ ಮೆಲನೋಸೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸಿಕ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್, like black color insects. Some insects are there, complete black color. Complete black color ಅಂದರೆ yes, melatonin MSH hormone is more secreted in their body ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So mainly invertebrates ನಲ್ಲಿ this is very helpful for pigmentation. But same function also they will do in the human beings ಅಂತ still they are believing now. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ MSH is helpful for pigmentation. Mainly it is stimulating the melanocytes of the skin cells to secrete melanin pigment. It is a black color pigment. Even our hair also black color because of the melanin pigment. Melanin pigment is very helpful for the skin pigmentation plus hair pigmentation also under melanin pigment. Got the clarity, students? Idura only adenohypophysis in the secret agide, pars distalis in the secret agide, 6 hormones plus pars intermedia in the secret agide, one and only one hormone, that is MSH. MSH full form, melanocyte stimulating hormone. It is stimulating the melanocytes of the skin to produce that one, the melanin. Okay? Next, adenohypophysis amele neurohypophysis. Neeve helbeku. What is the function of neurohypophysis? Neurohypophysis, it stores that one, the oxytocin and vasopressin. What is the function of oxytocin? Yes, it causes that one mild contraction in the which one? Uterus during parturition. That's why it is helpful for parturition. Plus, normal human body nalli also oxytocin secrete agute, but it is helpful for involuntary functions like peristaltic movement, like that one is there, no? Involuntary functions also under the control of oxytocin. Clear? Next, the deficiency of ADH hormone. ADH hormone function also you already know. If the deficiency of ADH hormone is completely causes which one? Yes, yes, lack of ADH leads to what? That is called diabetes insipidus. Very, very important, students. Lack of ADH, it causes diabetes insipidus. Diabetes insipidus, mainly excess loss of water through urine. This is called diuresis. Diuresis. Not only water, even minerals also will be lost. I already said one vitamin also will lost. C vitamin also will lost through this. Okay, demineralization also occurs because of this ADH hormone deficiency. Okay. In the last on the small tabular column, tabular column. A tabular column nalli actually beginning of hormone only I have to speak actually. So in this one, because endocrine glands are originated from different germ layers. The origin of endocrine glands. In this one, some of the endocrine gland from ectodermal origin, some are mesodermal origin and endodermal origin. Okay? So what are the examples? That one, remember. Mainly the pituitary gland plus hypothalamus plus adrenal, which one? Medulla. Adrenal medulla ectoderm, but adrenal cortex matra, which one? Mesoderm. This is gonads also mesodermal origin. Adrenal cortex, mesoderm, even thymus. Next one, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, and pineal gland. Thyroid, parathyroid, pineal gland, endodermal origin. Thyroid, parathyroid, TPP. Thyroid, parathyroid, pineal. Okay? Gonads andre already you know. Testis and ovary. Testis and ovaries are called gonads. Okay, students? This is about some extra information.